creature is.
Hello. It's only me. I'm wearing a disguise. Look, these long arms are made out of broom handles and yellow gloves. We found all these dressing up things on the bus. Don't know where they came from. There's some more here.
Oh,
look at this. Why?
Oh, can I put that on?
Of course you can.
Oh, look at that. They've got plaits.
There's a hat here that will go with
great.
that.
Now what do I look like?
Oh, you look like a hippie.
Oh, a hippie.
Oh, look at this, why? What do you think?
Oh, Trish. You look like a cloud.
A cloud? Think of something more glamorous, why?
More glamorous than a... I know. A marshmallow.
A marshmallow? Well, that's not glamorous, is it?
Oh, now you look like a beautiful bride,
Oh,
Trish.
thank you, why? Oh, I know a story about someone who dresses up in unusual clothes. Would you like to hear it?
Oh, yes, please.
Right. Oh, can I use your Y-Tech?
Well, of course, you don't have to ask, Trish.
Oh. And the story's called Mr. Pam Pam and the Hullabazoo. Mr. Pam Pam comes to my house. Mr. Pam Pam and the baby. Mr. Pam Pam is ever so tall. His arms and legs are stringy. He told me his favourite food is banana ice cream with gravy. One day, right, when Mr. Pam Pam came to visit, I was watching telly. Mum was playing music. So we didn't hear the door until Mr. Pam Pam lifted the flap of the letterbox and started shouting through it. Pam Pam knocking on your door! And Mum went down to open it. He said, you'll never believe it, but every word I say is true. As I was walking round here to come and see you, I saw a hullabazoo with yellow hands and a green moustache. Mum laughed, but me and Mr. Pam Pam's baby listened. I've never seen a hullabazoo before. And it bounced and it bounced. Mr. Pam Pam showed us. And it twizzled till it could twizzle no more. Uh-huh, said Mum as she stood by the door. And where is this hullabazoo now? And I rushed to the gate to see it too, because I've never seen a hullabazoo. Oh, it's gone now, said Mr. Pam Pam. But it was there when I saw it. If you'd have hurried up and opened the door, maybe you would have seen the hullabazoo too. Mr. Pam Pam comes to my house. Mr. Pam Pam and the baby. Sometimes he takes me to the park. He lets me push the buggy, where I can hardly reach the handles, and Mr. Pam Pam has to help me. I like Mr. Pam Pam, Mr. Pam Pam and the baby. One day, right, when I was pushing the buggy, Mr. Pam Pam shouted, well, goodness gracious me. I stood on my tiptoes to try and see what he could see, but he ran on just a bit ahead of me and pointed round the corner. He said, you'll never believe it, but every word I say is true. As I was walking just a bit ahead of you, I saw that hullabazoo with yellow hands and a green moustache. His face was covered in red and black dots. And would you believe it? That hullabazoo was wearing purple socks. But when I got around the corner, that hullabazoo had gone. I might have seen it if I'd have run. Mr. Pam Pam comes to my house. Mr. Pam Pam and the baby. He told me his favourite food is banana ice cream with gravy. So when he came yesterday, Mum made it specially. But he said, no thank you, I've eaten already. I had dinner with the hullabazoo. He's really quite friendly. You like him too. And in came the hullabazoo with yellow hands and a green moustache. His face was covered in red and black dots, and the hullabazoo was wearing purple socks and a flat orange cap with a star on the top. And he bounced and he twizzled a lot. And he said, I'm a hullabazoo. Nice to meet you. I'm a hullabazoo. It's true.
Hullabazoo, hullabazoo, how do you do? Hey, Trish.
Yes, why?
Would you be very, 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 very kind and make me a special sort of hullabazoo disguising hat? You know, the sort that nobody's ever seen before.
Well, I don't know how to make one. Why do you?
Well, not exactly, but my Y-Tech does. Oh, please, Trish, please, please, please.
All right, why, I'll have a go.
Oh, great! Oh, I can't wait now. Let's see. Here we go.
Oh, how to make a disguising hat.
Oh, wonderful.
All right, why? What do we need?
Right, well, we need some paper, some
Right.
scissors, some stuff to do some decorations.
Paper.
Have we got everything?
Some paper, scissors. Yep, plenty here. OK, how do we start?
Fold the paper in half.
Well, this is already folded in half because it's magazine paper,
Oh,
so we've
right.
done that.
Great, now you've got to make a point.
A point.
A point.
Oh, right in the middle. All right, well, I'll find the middle. There, I've got the middle. And a point. Right. One end folded in.
Oh, this is going to look so good.
And there's the other end. There's a point. Why? What do you
Right,
think?
now you've got to make a brim now.
A brim. How do I do that?
Fold the bits
there.
up there.
Fold the bits up there. Fold this side up. And then the other. Right, is that it then? All finished?
No, but can I try it for size?
Oh, I think you better actually. Yep. There you are, why?
Oh, what does it look like?
Well, it looks very good, but it's not much of a disguise yet because I can still recognise you.
Can you?
Mm.
Oh.
So what shall we add to this then?
Oh, how about some hair?
Some hair. Oh, well, I wouldn't recognise you with hair. Why? You're right, because you've got feathers, but I've never seen you with hair.
That's right.
Some hair on that side and some hair on this side.
Oh, lovely pink hair. Mm.
All right, some sellotape. Oh, that should hold that on. And on the other side, there.
Right, now what else have you got to put some more decoration on there?
The sweeter papers.
Sweetie papers? Are there any sweeties left in the sweetie papers?
No, I'm afraid not.
Oh.
So where shall we put these? One here, one there, one on the top.
Oh,
Yep.
yes.
All right.
This is so exciting.
Nice gold one there in the middle.
Oh, yes, I like that.
What about this one? Where should we put it? That side.
Oh, they look like jewels, don't they?
Yes, they do a bit. A very rich person. That's what your disguise is going to be.
Oh, is it?
Ooh.
Right.
Right, is that it then? Is it all finished? Anything
yes.
else to add?
No, can I wear it now, please?
Yes, of course you can.
Oh, great.
Oh, there you are. Why? I don't recognise you at all.
I can't see anything.
Oh, I've got some eyes here.
Oh, what?
Some eyes you can't see. So I'll put one eye there and another eye here.
Well, I still can't see anything,
I was
Trish.
only joking. Why? There you are. Now, I don't recognise you at all.
Really?
Really? Now then, why? Where shall we file all these strange things we found on the bus? For clothes?
Well, they're not all clothes, are they, Trish?
Oh, that's true. What about for strange?
Oh, no. I
No?
don't think so, Trish. No. I'll tell you what. Let me ask my Y-Tech.
All right.
Right, now then. Oh, I knew it'd have the answer. There you are. You wear strange clothes to disguise yourself with. So they should go under D for disguise. Oh, good. That's that one sorted out then.
All
Off you
right.
go then, Trish.
Okay. Why? Why me?
Well, Trish, it's like this. You see, I've just used up all that brain power finding out where to file them. So you can put them away. I mean, fair's fair.
I see. Honestly, why? Sometimes I think I do all the work around here.
Oh, well, you probably do then. Do you know, I like this hat so much. I think I'm going to wear it all day. Psst. Hello, it's me, Poppy. I thought I'd try and trick Y, so I've disguised myself. How do I look? There. I say, hello. Could you tell me where I might find the bus driver, please? Oh, sorry. I thought you were the Y-bird. Well, I am the Y-bird. Hello, Poppy. What are you wearing all those strange things for? Oh, you weren't supposed to recognise me. It's a disguise. Oh. I like your hat. Do you? You don't look like you. Oh, don't I? Oh, thank
Hello,
you.
Poppy. What are you doing here?
Hello! How did you recognise me? I'm in disguise.
Oh, I am sorry.
Oh, that's all right, Trish. Anyway, I came here because I left loads of things on the bus. Oh, what sort of things? Disguise sort of things. Have you found them?
Well, yes, I did find them, and I've just filed them all away.
Yeah. Oh, well, Trish, don't just stand there. Go and unfile them. My friend Poppy needs them. Go on.
Certainly, why?
Trish is very cross, isn't she? Never mind. I bought her a game to play. Ooh. Maybe it'll cheer her up. Oh, I'm sure it will.
There you are, Poppy.
Yeah.
All there.
Thank you, Trish. Trish, I bought you a game to play.
Oh, that's very nice of you.
I know.
What do I do with it?
Well, may I suggest you bunk it in the White, Trish?
Oh, all right. Animal swap.
Yes, all the animals are disguised, and you have to say what's different about them.
Oh.
Oh, look, there's an elephant and a rabbit, I think. Why don't you play it with us? Did you ever see an elephant with ears like a rabbit? Ears like a rabbit that could twitch at every sound. Or perhaps you've seen a rabbit who had ears like an elephant. Ears like an elephant trailing on the ground. Swap, ear swap. Swap, ear swap. All this swapping has got to stop. Did you ever see a pony with a tail like a peacock? A tail like a peacock with 100 staring eyes. Or perhaps you've seen a peacock with a tail like a pony. A tail like a ponytail swishing at the flies. Swap, tail, swap. Swap, tail, swap. All this swapping has got to stop. Ew. Oh, look at these strange creatures.
Oh, can you see anything unusual about these?
Oh, shall we play it again?
Did you ever see a leopard with a zebra's stripy back? Or a zebra with a leopard spotted chest? Did you ever see a pigeon with a pocket on its tummy? Or a kangaroo flying to its nest?
Clap, boing. Swap, swap, swap. Swap, swap, swap. All this swapping has got to stop. Oh, look at us. We've swapped. Yes, you do look smart. Oh, so do you. Do you know, we could even swap my feathers for your fur. Oh, yes.
Poppy, would you like some help with these disguises?
Oh, yes, please, Trish.
All right.
In a minute.
Oh.
What are you doing, Poppy? Well, I saw another strange creature on your Ul-Haq. Well, I thought I'd see what it was. Oh, there's Richard. Oh, yes, what's he doing? Drawing. Yes, I know that, but what's he drawing? Well, it looks like a creature to me. He's got lots of legs. Do you think it's a spider? Oh, yes, I think it could be. No. It's cutting it out now. Too big to be a spider. Oh, look, he's got crinkly scissors. No, very clever. Oh, I know what it is. I know. What? Well, it's big and it lives in the sea. Is it a whale? No, it's an octopus. What's an octopus? No, an octopus. Oh, yes, so it is. Oh, look, he's got lots of them there. Cutting it out in metal. Oh, it's like bonfire night, isn't it, with all the sparklers? Now what's he going to do?
finished.
Oh, look at that. Oh, that's beautiful, that is. More fire. Oh, he's doing some soldering. Now, what's next? Oh, look! He's making all the suckers on the tentacles. Very clever. Peep-o! Huh? Oh, there's the bell. It's time to go.
You, can I have a lift, please, Trish?
Oh, of course you can, Poppy.
Here.
Bye-bye.